Okay guys, today we are going to replace shock absorber on Dodge Charger 2007. Okay, before we leave the car, we see bolts over here that's holding it, and also we have to remove this one right here. Otherwise you will not be able to, once you leave the car, you will not be able to pull that out. Okay, so I tried to release that nut, but it spins together with this on the inside. So what we gotta do is hold it with a wrench here and then release it with another wrench here. Okay, so this is how I'm doing. Putting this on like that, and then I'm using a 10mm socket. Put this in here and take it from there. Okay, and now that it's released, we pull it out, and now we can lift the car up. Move the wheel, and now we are removing this bolt here. Okay, now we're using 18mm socket to unscrew the bottom bolt of the shock absorber. Okay, now we are gonna hit this
to release.
it. Okay, so we were able to remove it. Just need to make some pressure against like this to pull it up, and if possible to pull this down, so you can and just keep hitting it until it comes off. Okay, we got it out like that. We are removing the top bolts. Okay, now we are able to easily remove it. Okay, now we got a brand new one, and what's interesting about this is that they actually fit both sides, so that's kind of cool. Okay, now we're putting it back. I'm gonna put the bolts. You gotta turn it. Okay. Okay. Okay, we put this one in. We also put that bolt on the bottom end, and now tied these up, and we have to install the wheel in order to install this one back, because it's gonna give it pressure, and we will be able to insert this one. Okay, so I put that arm, or whatever that is called, back in and tied everything down. I also painted this one because it looks a lot better. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.